Oh no, I wasn't filming. Okay, now do it. Yeah? Tell me more. Tell me more. Keep talking. Keep talking, because Mom messed up and thought she was filming and she wasn't. Yeah? This is your new talking situation? Javi. Javi. There you are. Hi. Tell him. My Grandpa Rudy's here to visit me. Yeah, my Grandpa Rudy's here to visit me. My Grandpa Rudy's here to visit me. And we're doing home construction. We're putting up a new kitchen. Yeah? Do it again. Come on, let's go put your construction clothes on so you can help. Yeah? Really? Yeah? Okay, should we wrap it up? Yeah? Tell him. We have new lights in the kitchen. And I make funny fish faces. Okay.